Hello. So this is a demo of my ERS application. So what ERS stands for is Expense Reimbursement System. So what this application does, it allows an employer to have their employees sign in and pretty much submit reimbursement requests. And when they're signed in, they can, like I said, submit reimbursement requests and also view pending requests and also view all their resolved requests. An employee can also view their profile information and also update that information. And then what happens is finance managers can then log in to their accounts and then approve and deny the request of these employees. There are also additional features which I will go over. So some of these are already stated, but an employee can log in, view the employee's homepage, they can log out, submit a reimbursement request, view their pending reimbursement request, view their resolve, view their information and update their information. And then a manager can also do what an employee can, and also they have some additional features. So they can do login, view the manager homepage, log out, approve, deny pending requests, view all pending requests of all employees, view all resolved requests of all employees, view reimbursement requests of a specific employee, and view all employees. So view a list of all employees. So I guess we'll get to it. So I have two users that I have in my database that are I want to use. Typically, you won't have your employees be able to create an account. This will be only the admin will be able to do it. So I have my database running on the EC2. Okay, it's alive. Okay, and I also have my Spring Boot application running on here too. So I guess we'll go to the application, and so we'll use employee one. And then I'll show you what happens when you enter the wrong password. You get invalid credentials. So we'll log in. So this is the employee homepage. So here they can create requests, view all pending, and view all resolved. So we'll view all pending. There's none here. View all resolved. We have two that have been resolved already. One was approved, one was denied. So we'll go to create a request and we'll put something random like pencils for office. And we'll add that request, and as you see, request 39 got added, and then we'll make another one, $10. Next for office, and we'll add that, and they're both pending. Remember these IDs, 39 and 40. So we'll go back, view all pending, and here they are in the pending requests. You're resolved. They're not here yet because the manager hasn't approved them. So I guess we'll go to the profile page, and as you can see, you can view their information. Then you can also update. Cancel. So we'll just change something. We'll change. We'll change city to like St. Louis, and then zip code to like 3333. And here's Detroit MO 6. So we'll update it, and as you can see, it got updated right here. Okay, so I guess we'll log in and see what a manager can do. So a manager, we'll use manager one. I have this already in my database, like I said. So we'll go to manager one's account, and so this is the management homepage. They can do what an employee can do, along with additional features under this management options. So they can view all pending. You can see 39 and 40, pencils for office. snacks from our office. They can approve and deny. We'll show that later. View all resolved requests. They're in order by ID. You can see 39 and 40 aren't here yet, but we'll make them appear here soon. And view by a specific employee. So that was employee ID 1. So you see they still have the 2 pending. And we can view a whole list of employees. They're in, I believe, alphabetical order by last name. Yep. Okay. So we'll go to approve and deny and see 39, 40. We'll approve the first one and deny their second one. So we'll go back, go to all resolved requests, and you can see 39 and 40 are here. The first one was approved and denied, and by manager 1. Manager 1, the name of the owner of this account. See, first name, last name, or date. Then pretty much their user info. And I guess we'll go back to employee 1 just to show. All right, so we'll go to their pending, and they have none pending, and go to their resolved, and as you can see, 39 and 40 got added, and pretty much wraps up the basic features of the application. Additional features I added was basic authentication, but that's on the back-end side. Also, if they enter a random ending, they'll be directed to a 404 page, and if they enter, say, employee tries to enter a endpoint of or the URL of management options, they'll be directed to a 403 forbidden. I can remember. Here we'll just try. Actually, we have to log in first as an employee. So if you try to go to a URL like well, only a manager should be able to access this, since this is an employee account. They should get a 403, and yep, here it is, the 403 page. So yeah, log out, and that pretty much concludes the demo. So for this project, technologies I used were front end for HTML, CSS, TypeScript, pretty much basically Angular in general. For backend, I use Java, Maven, Spring, Spring Data, Spring DevTools, Spring security with basic authentication, and Hibernate for the implementation with data, JPA. And for my database, I used MySQL, but I have used Oracle SQL when I first did this project. When I first did it, I did it as a monolithic architecture. But I've redone it in but this one is it's split into microservices. Then DevOps, I use Amazon Web Services, so my front end is on an S3 bucket, while my back end, my Spring Boot application or web service or web services, along with my database, are running on an Amazon EC2. Yeah, thanks for watching.